Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to install 2025's most popular After Effects plugin for free. Head over to my Telegram channel, the link's in the description below. Download the zip file, unzip it anywhere you like, then run the setup file and follow the steps shown in the video. Tun 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 Tom Tim Tam Tam Tom Tim Tun Ten Tam Tam Tom Tim Tam Tam Tom Tam Tam Tom Tim Tun Ten Tam Tam Tom. After that, click Finish, run the Tablica file, point it to your plugin's install folder, and complete the process like in the video. Launch After Effects and boom, your plugin is ready to go. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, I'd really appreciate a like and a subscribe.